How to upload PDF files to NotebookLM. First, open your web browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. Then sign in with your Google account, if not. Next, open an existing notebook or click Create New Notebook if you're starting from scratch. Once you're inside your notebook, click the Add Source button. From the list of available options, choose PDF or Upload Files from your computer, depending on the version of NotebookLM you're using. Now, browse your computer, select the PDF file you want to upload, and click Open. Wait a few moments while NotebookLM uploads and processes your document. After the upload is complete, your PDF will appear in the Sources section. You can now ask NotebookLM questions about the document, request summaries, find key points, explain difficult topics, or even generate study notes based on the PDF. If you have multiple documents, simply repeat the same steps to add more sources to the notebook. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF file to NotebookLM. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google AI tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech guides.